5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 60, left 2 plus 50. Right 6, 60, left 6 short. Right 3 plus into left. Oh shit.
And that would be why you check the hood pins. Unbelt.
Left 3 plus opens 50.
Find a head on the that sandy turn. It's like a right 3, 110 or something to a right 5 long.
Okay, I got it.
That's what we're at now.
Okay. Right 5 opens long into left 5 plus long. Right 4 plus 60. Right 6 short, left 6 short, 300 over 2 small crests. Stay left over jump 90. Right 6 short 50. Left 6 short.
Faster.
Into right 6, tightens 5, stay inside. Into left 5, tightens 4. Right 4 short, kinks 130. Right 5 short over crest. Left 5 off camber. Crest, right 3 plus. Right 4 short, right 6 140. Left 6 don't cut 210. Right 2 tightens over bump 30. Right 6 short, left 3 plus 60. Left 6 short, 130. Right 6 short into left 2 plus, open 60. left 5 long, tightens 4, into right 4, opens 130. Right 4, tightens 360. Left 5 short, crest. Right 6 short into crest 80. Right 6 short, crest. Left 6 short, 80. Right 5, 100. Right 3 into left 6 short. Repeat, left 6 short, right 6 short, 50. Right 3 tightens 2, stay inside. Left 2 plus opens 150. Sorry. Left 3 plus long. Into right 2 opens very long. Right 5 opens, then tightens 3 plus, banked 50. Left 6 short, 100.
You're way far ahead or something. It's gonna be the right 5 tightens 3.
Okay, right 5, tightens 3 plus, banked 50. Left 6 short, 100.
There we are.
Left 2 plus, banked. Left 6 short, 150. Left 5 plus, 80 over crest. Left 5 short, right 3 plus. Into left 2 long, stay inside 40. Right 6 short, into left 5 plus short, into right 5 plus short, 90 crest. Into left 5 plus short, into left 3, 50 crest. Right 5 short, 50 crest. Into left 4 short, stay inside 50. Right 5 tightens 4 into stay right over crest, right 4 short 80. Left 5 tightens, right 6 190. Long crest 450. Repeat 450, right 330. Crest 80, crest 130, crest 160, crest 140 over small jump 130, double caution long crest drop 50. Up. Long crest 320, crest down 80, crest into right 5 tightens 4, cut 300. Repeat, cut 300. Right 4 short. So repeat 300, right 4 short into left 3 plus short. Right 2 plus off camber, stay inside 80. Sorry. Stay right through dip.
Faster.
Right 6 short over crest, right 2 plus 30. Left 5 opens, then tightens. Let's repeat, 30, left 5 opens, then tightens 5 off camber 140. Stay center. Left 5 short off camber 60. Right 4. Into left 6, tightens off camber, kinks 130. Left 4 opens and tightens 4 minus, opens long 60, right 6. Into right 4.
Hang on, I'm lost here. Left 4?
Yeah, left 4 opens and tightens 4 minus, opens long 60. Right 6 into right 480. Left 3 180. So repeat 80, left 3 180. Over 3 bumps. Left 2, right 4, tightens 3 plus. .30. Left 6, tightens 3 plus, into right 460. Left 3 opens 80. Left 6 over crest into crest 80. Right 5 short. Left 5 opens 160. Right 6 tightens 3. Okay, so that was crest 80. Repeat, right 5 short. Left 5 opens 160.
I don't know where you're at. Is it a 6 tightens 3?
Okay, long 130. Left 6 tightens 4. Right 3 plus opens very long. Left 6 stay inside 50. Finish. Into right 5 tightens 4.
Whew.
Damn, nice driving.